Okay, I know that you're all excited about our test on Friday. However, it's not going to be available until Friday. So I want all of my living skills students to take it at the same time. But that doesn't mean that there's nothing to do. You could be studying. I created this review just to give you a heads up on what's on the test and some idea. You can go ahead and fill this in if you want, but this is not an assignment. I'm not going to grade it. This is just good to know. And there is a quiz, abbreviations and measurements and equivalence quiz. I made this separate than the test. That way it didn't overwhelm you. And you know, if you do well on the quiz, great, but I didn't want it to affect your test score for the nutrition, health, and wellness. All right, I just wanted to give you that update, that heads up, and good luck on the test tomorrow. Okay, I just said tomorrow, but I mean Friday. Today is Wednesday for me, and I'm hoping that you see this on Thursday. So then tomorrow would make sense, but it's going to be open on Friday, and only Friday. It does not last till Sunday. You have to take the test on Friday. Woo!